I wrote this down. I've got to write to Laura. Laura Berman Fortgain is a coach a very famous coach in the coaching space. And she was speaking at Rick's event. And she said, the first part of this is hers and the second half is mine. Self-care that doesn't allow you to feel fear is not self-care. It's self-abuse. Let me say that again. Self-care that doesn't allow you to feel fear is not self-care, it's self-abuse. And I see so many people that come to our programs do this. It's like, like I'm gonna take care of me and I'm gonna have boundaries and I'm gonna have, and it's like, no, that's self-abuse because you've just gotten to a point where you don't feel anything. You don't feel triggered by me, then you can't trigger anyone, then you don't feel anything, then you're not captivating, then you're wondering why you give good talks that get 2 people to sign up as opposed to me, just frankly, who can give a talk and get 50 people to sign up. Because, right, I am not using self-care to self-soothe, right? And it happens time and time again. A couple of weeks ago, I had about 2 million TikTok views in about a 7-day time frame, and blew up my TikTok account, got us a lot of leads, got me a paid speaking gig, plus another speaking gig. It's a big moment and continues to be because it's growing. But I know a lot of you have looked at this because you've heard me talk about it on other things, but the post or the video that got 1.1 million views I haven't looked at it in a week or so, but it had about 1,200 comments on it. Out of those 1,200, about 1,000 were negative. They were negative comments. Part of it going viral was people so disagreed with me. I'm okay, y'all. I'm okay, y'all. I'm really clear who I am, and I'm really clear that I'm right. And I'm really clear who I am, and I'm really clear that I'm right. And so it's allowed me to take those 1.1 million views and turn it into a lot of money, because that conversation became a viral conversation. It wouldn't become a viral conversation if I went, oh, maybe you're all right. Now, I actually think some people made some really great points, and I even had a conversation to that. I'd be like, yeah, right. Like, this is a small snip of a video out of context, and you're right, this should A, B, and C. And then a lot of people, I was like, this is why you'll be broke forever, because you don't get it. You literally don't get it. But I think it was somebody, when I was doing Captivate Camp a couple of weeks ago, we were talking about this, and somebody said, I don't think I could survive. Listen, I can take a negative comment. I can take some negative hits. I don't remember who said this, Debbie, but somebody said, I don't think I could do 1,200 negative comments. 30% of them calling me a fat ass. I am so aware of who I am, what I do, what I stand for, what my values are. Come for me, bitch. Come for me. You can send me posts on social media. You can send me emails. You can question everything about me, and I'm unmoving. I'm unmoving because I know what my values are. I know what I stand for. I know who I am. I know I'm on purpose. I am certain and clear.